Welcome to Don Carinderia Series Plus. We have another IKEA themed video here. For today, I'm gonna show you how I recreated their famous Swedish meatballs. Let's go! This video is divided into 4 parts. First, we're gonna make the lingonberry sauce, and then we're gonna cook the broccoli, and then we're gonna prepare the meatballs and cook it, and then we're gonna make the sauce. If you can't go to the IKEA store in Pasay and you're craving for their Swedish meatballs, I got you covered. Here I'm gonna show you how to prepare it based on the IKEA recipe that they presented in their website. So in my big bowl, I combined half a kilo of minced beef or ground beef plus 1/4 kilo of ground pork. And then I added some chopped onions and 1 clove of garlic, minced garlic as well. And now I'm adding the breadcrumbs. So when you add breadcrumbs in your meatballs, they will add moisture to your meatballs, so they will stay juicy when cooked. Now I'm adding 1 egg and 5 tablespoons of milk. First, I'm gonna mix everything using a spatula, but later on, I'm gonna use my hands. According to the recipe, you need to season with salt and pepper generously, so I'm doing it now. So it's time to mix everything together using our trusty old hands. Once you have mixed everything together, it's time to form the meatballs. Swedish meatballs are small, unlike their Italian meatball counterparts. Once you're done forming the balls, we're gonna refrigerate this for 2 hours. If you're not gonna cook them yet, you can put them in a freezer. Look at these gorgeous meatballs! If lingonberry is not available at your area, you can go to your supermarket and look for Cranberry. And this is where I put half a cup of sugar and half a cup of water, and we will cook this until it looks like a jam. On medium heat, it takes about 30 minutes, I think. Set it aside to cool completely. Now on medium to high heat, we're gonna cook our broccoli. I'm adding salt to taste. And then before we serve this, put some lemon juice because it adds so much flavor. We'll set this aside once cooked. Still on medium heat, we will fry our meatballs. We just need to brown the sides, all sides, and then finish this in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. I know you missed my knock-knock joke, so here we go. Knock-knock. Who's there? IKEA. IKEA who? Kung ay kaya kong iwanan ka, di na sana aasa pa. It's time to prepare our creamy sauce. I just melted our butter and I'm adding flour. Mix it up. Now I'm adding some beef broth. I just dissolve beef cube in water. Mix everything together using a whisk. I find it easier to get rid of the lumps using a whisk. Right now, I just added cooking cream. a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, always taste your sauce. I'm adding freshly ground pepper. Mix until homogeneous. So this is how you assemble your dish. Presenting to you this perfectly splendid IKEA Swedish meatballs with cranberry jam and broccoli. Mwah, mwah, mwah! Delicioso! Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next week.